What's up, Sumolings? I'm Jay with AppSumo, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today we're taking a look at Boost.Space, a cloud database and integration platform that helps you consolidate, organize, and sync data from over 1,700 apps. Imagine this, all your data in one place, updating automatically all the time. Snap, that's literally Boost.Space, the runner-up for Product Hunt's Kitty Award for data security. Here's how to use it. In the desktop version, you'll see modules, which are pre-made databases that centralize data from all platforms and data sources you connect. Take contacts, for example. When you click on the module, you'll find all your existing contact data from your entire tech stack consolidated in one place. And here's the neat part. You can add custom fields too, so it's not just duplicates from your phone or email. Same goes for every data source across the board. As soon as you connect the source, you'll get 4 options. Add more data, organize your data, share your data, or view and edit the specific data flow. Before I keep nerding out, I'm gonna give you a chance to grab this lifetime deal on Boost.Space right now. Still here? All right, let's import some data. Importing data is so simple, especially because Boost.Space walks you through the entire process. You'll get loads of video tutorials and a step-by-step guide for everything, including how to eliminate duplicate data. After setting up custom data fields, you'll jump into the integrator platform to create specific import settings and wrap it all up. Boost.Space can change the whole game for you. Work in sales, organize all your leads from multiple sources in one place. Eliminate duplicates, enrich data, sync it to outbound tools, and automate your sales funnels. Selling online? Build a cloud-based product database, use AI to generate metadata, and bulk remove backgrounds from product images. All this to standardize data and share it across networks, e-commerce platforms, marketplaces, you name it. What about marketing? Now you can connect all your ad funnels across Meta, TikTok, Google, X, and LinkedIn to aggregate and organize custom audiences in one place. If I had a mic to drop, I'd be dropping it right now. So jump on this lifetime deal to start managing your data like a freaking pro. Click that buy now button to snag Boost.Space while you still can.